Government Degree College, Utnur, Adilabad. My name is G. Vijay, Contract Faculty, Lecturer in Computer Science and Applications. Today, class discussion variables with keywords in C++. Variables. A variable is a meaningful name of data storage particular location in computer memory. Particular locations data storage meaningful of name of data storage location in computer. When using a variable, you refer to memory address, particular address of computer, particular address of computer in variable data storage particular location. We know that in C all variable must be declared before they are used. This is true with C++. Variable declaration given of values, variable declaration given values, variable declaration given values A or B and give the declarations of true or false with C++. The main difference in C and C++ with regard to the place of their declarations in the program. Variable value declarations, the programs give the variable value and variable name, declare the value and declare the particular name, give the result. It's a programs methods. C requires all the variable to be defined in the beginning of scope. All programs, all C or C++ programs, you can start beginning of the programs and give the variable value declaration, give the variable value declarations, beginning of the programs. A variable in a simple term of storage place which has some memory allocate to its. Basically a variable used to store some data. Different types of variable requires different amounts of memory. Different types of storage variable, different amounts of memory. This is the variable declaration and have some specify a set of operator which can be applied in this program. Some take example, specify operators, applied this program, operators, declarations of variable and give the values or variable value in C++ programs. So declarations variable, a typically variable declaration in the types of variable name or from multiple variable type variable name, variable declaration. Type variable name or from multivariable. Type variable name, one variable name, two declarations of the variable. A variable name can consist of alphabets. A variable name consists of alphabets, both upper and lower case. consist of alphabets words, both upper and lower case. Number and underscore or characters or symbols. However, the name must start with a number. Variable declarations, variable declarations, particular number start with a number. C++ always the declarations in variable anywhere in the variable can be declared right at the space its first use. Declarations of variable and data types, variable name. A variable name can consist of alphabetics, both uppercase and lowercase. Declarations between variable declarations, difference. Variable declarations refers to the part where a variable its first declarations of introduction before its first use. Data type name, first use, data type name or variable. Data type name, variable name. Declarations of variable name. Data type name, variable declarations, and variable declarations, they will be store particular variable allocate of the memory in assigned of memory allocations, and a value must of the variable declarations define or declaration values declarations and values give the store in particular location. This is the value of declarations. For example, we have to take, for example, can take value A variable, B variable and C variable. There are three variable declarations. Value of A equal to 10, A value 10, B value 20, and C is a allocate of memory. Store the memory. Memory store in C variable. C equal A plus B. This is called as a variable declarations give the output. This is called a this is variable A and variable B, and declarations of store value in C. C is a value of store. A equal to A plus B. Store allocation of the memory in C. Allocate of the memory declaration, allocate of the memory value of store in C. This is the value in declarations of variable. So, always stored storage of always store of data internally for the program. Internally for the programs. Allow storage of information from this use. Store particular give the information, particular name in the user. They will be give the particular name and store particular location. This is the allocate of storage data. There are different types of variable which different needs. For example, variables that store text, variables that store value, and integer value give the variable value or positive or negative value, or positive value or negative number. The variable that store the or floating points number, whatever may be, they will be store or natural number or floating numbers or characters and so many etc. They will be stored in the value of given storage value. For example, in hash include stdio.h, start the program, integer values, integer, say char value, name, it's a character, one data types character, it's a name, integer, number, floating, points value, taken points value, give the taken points value. So, for example, hash include iostream.h. This is the hash include. This is called a preprocessor. Last class discussions about include iostream.input output dot header files. It's a main. Open the brace. Integer, it's a number. Number, it's a only integer, it's a number. They will be take only numbers. Right. For example, we have to discussion a variable and b variable. Variable declarations in this program. Variable declarations in this program. Variable a, comma variable b. Cout entire first number. Cout entire first number. Cin declarations of a value declarations in these statements. Cout entire the first number, cin a. Cout, it's a output, give the result. This is the cout. In one types of keywords, cout give the show the number. Cin, it's a scanning statements. A variable, this is the input statement. And next one, and cout entire second number, it's a b. Cin, it's a scanning input statement, it's a b. So next statement, integer, it's a number, it can be stored, take one variable. Sum, it's a one variable. Declarations, these types of declarations will not allow in C plus C, not allow in C, right? Variable declarations, integer, it's a sum. A value and b value, they will be stored in the location of particular name, sum equal to a variable and b variable. Declarations of a variable, b variable. A variable value equal to 10, b variable value equal to 20. Sum of given number, they will be stored in the sum variable sum. Sum equal to a value, b value, a plus b. Sum equal to a plus b. A plus b, it's a value of addition stored in the sum variable declaration, some variable storage. This is the sum statements. And next one, sum give the output. Cout in sum, slash n. They will be or give the output line one by one. A new line at a time, give the new line printed, return the value. Right. Next one, this is the cout sum. Declare the give the output result as some value in the a variable and b variable. They will be stored in the sum. Some variable store values a b. Right. Next statement, give the output result, output, and taken first number 55, second number entire number 15, and give the next sum of given, it's a 70. It's a give the result. Say give the result. It's a sum of given the result 70. Both a value and b value declarations in the particular number, they will be stored in the sum is a 70 declaration. This is the variable given declare values. And next one, variable declarations. In order to use a variable in C++, we have to first declare, create a number, variable, types of variable types, variable name. Variable types, it's a variable types, it's a variable comma, variable types, it's a b, variable types, it's a sum. This is the variable types. Declarations of variable types and variable name. Variable types, the types of variable depends on the data types. Types of variable depend on the data types. Data type is a integer, float, char, double. Last class discussions about data types. It's a integer, char, float, double, and etc. Variable name, the name of the variable who want to refer to the recent of these programs. For example, add sum of two digits. Add sum of two digits explains explanations programs. Add sum of two digits programs, declarations, add subtractions, and we have to change some types of operators. Change and give the variable value taken different and give store value some variable data. Variable. A variable can have alphabets, digits, and underscores. Alphabets, defining variables. A variables can have alphabets, digits, and underscore. A variable name can start with the alphabets and underscore only. It can start with a digits. Alphabets, it's a to Z character. Underscores, some give the some names, give data types, underscore names. This is the underscores only. Digits means 0 to 9. The 0 to 9. This is the variable of name start with alphabets and underscore only. It can store with it can start with digits. A variable name must not be any reserved words or keywords uh, in C++ keywords. C++ keywords. Int, char, double, go to, if, else statement, etc. Next class discussions about keywords. Right. Next topics, declaration. Next topic, types of variable in C++. Types of variable: local variable, number 1, local variable, number 2, global variable, number 3, static variable, number 4, automatic variable, number 5, external variable. This is the types of variable. This is the types of variable in C++. There are 5 types: local variable, global variable, statics variable, automatic variable, and next one, external variable. So first of all, we would like take local variable. A variable that is declare and use inside the function. A variable declare the used inside the functions or black is called local variable. Local variables inside the black is called local. A variable that declare use in function is called local variable. The function or black, it cannot be used outside in the black. Local variable need to initializes before use. So declarations of variable, local variable, one points of local variable, declarations of variable inside int integer value x equal to 10. It's a give the variable value and variable value declarations. And this is the one types of integer main, int main, or void main. It's a function declaration. Function declaration. This is called as a function declaration. Function declaration in local variable. The code of x can be used only in the function. Using main function will give the main functions. This is called a local variable. This is called as a local variable. Okay. Next one, give the function hash include stdio.h void main function int x equal 10 bracket open int main bracket open function declarations outside of functions is called as a local variable. And next one, global variable. A variable is declared outside. Global, a variable declared outside the functions or black is called a global variable. Declare the starting a program, it is available to all the functions. So for example, void, it's a function, open brace, printf, void function open brace, printf, sorry, cout is value of declarations, value of declaration, and give the function outside. Outside functions called as a global variable. Called as a global variable. Function can use global variable x as a value as well as already global x value as a value of global. Int x equal 20 as a global. The declarations of global value. Void function, declarations of the function. Cout, give the output result. And statement function 1 and function 2, function 3, continuation of these programs. The functions can use global variable x as we already global variable or accessibility by all the function. Statics variable, the variable that returns value between multiple function calls is now a static variable. Multiple function declarations is called a variable, statics variables. It is declarations with the statics keywords or keywords integer, statics, float, char, double, if, else, void, main, int functions give the statics variable. Automatic variable, all variables in C++ that are declared inside the block are automatically variable by default. We can declare a automatical variable using auto keywords. Automatic variables or automatic variable or a automatic variable or local variable. It's a declarations of automatic variable. Hash include iostream.h, void main functions, int x is equal 20, auto int y is equal 10. Functions declaration. In the functions, example x and y are automatically variable, only difference the variable x. Declare auto keys. This is the automatic variable. External variable. The external variable can be variable multi numbers or multiple files. We can declare internal variable using external keys. The x is a external variable which is used in multiple files. This is the variable declaration, types of variable, local variable, global variable, or static variable, automatic variable, external variable. There are 5 types of variable. Declarations of variable. Thank you.